Ya vallahi test edemedim. Vallahi billahi şu kişinin sorunun için teslim olmam lazım.
Turkey, Sunday, November 24, 2024.
Konya, İstanbul yolu, Ankara yolu üzerinde Konya Büyükşehir Belediye ve Karayolların pasifliğinden dolayı
Extreme cold and snowy weather, which occurred throughout the country of Turkey, continued to have a negative impact on transportation on Sunday, November 24, 2024. Lastly, a snowstorm hit the highway connecting Konya to Afyonkarahisar, causing many vehicles to be buried in snow on the road. Images of vehicles covered in snow after being parked on the side of the road were clearly recorded by the cell phones of residents passing by from inside a moving bus. The scene caused by the severe snowstorm became a trending topic on social media.
Şimdi arabayı çekmeye gidiyoruz.
Vehicle traffic was allowed on the highway connecting Konya to Isparta, while the Adana, Ankara, Aksaray, and Antalya highways were completely closed and the Afyonkarahisar highway was partially closed. On the Konya-Ankara highway where transportation was not allowed, vehicle drivers created long queues of vehicles. Bad weather conditions continued to affect the center and districts of Konya. Transportation disruptions also occurred due to bad weather conditions. Education was suspended for one day in several districts on Monday, November 25, tomorrow, due to heavy snowfall, icing, and snowstorms. Precautionary measures were increased in the city center and other districts by the teams of the Provincial Police Department, Highways, Konya Metropolitan Municipality, and the Konya Governorate Special Provincial Administration Team.
Tamam.